Let's complete this proof. So the first thing I want to do is just look at what I am given. I am given that AC and BD are equal. So my reason for that is given. Well, I now see that AC and BD are two segments. So if I look at my next step, AB plus BC equals AC, that looks a lot like my segment addition postulate. Part plus part equals whole. And the same thing for the following step. BC plus CD equals BD. So both of these are my segment addition. Then I notice that I take the first part of each of these equations, AB plus BC and BC plus CD, and set them equal. I can do that because AC and BD are equal. So since AC equals AB plus BC and BD equals BC plus CD, then AB plus BC will equal BC plus CD. That is my transitive property. And then the only thing that changes from this step to this one is I lose those BCs. Since they're on both sides, if I subtract BC from both sides, I will end up with what I was trying to prove, that AB and CD